Alright, this spot is doing good for me. Another kind of brownish orange. Oh look, there's another one. Hiding in the sand. I got two. Haven't seen that big coral pattern one, that little fluffy branch looking guy, but I'll take anything I can get now. Oh dang, there's another one. Alright, I got, what's this? Oh, this could be one. It's filled in. It looks like it might be a piece. Nice, I got three right there. Yeah. Alright, looks like Alyssa got a nice big one here. Look at that, so like coral-like. Pretty pattern. Can't wait to clean that one up. Nice find, baby. Hi everyone, thanks for watching Crystal Miner Rocks. So the entire family went out on a trip this time. We visited Haines City in Central Florida, and we went to a commercial sand mine, and we were digging for fulgurites. That is a hard one to say. It took a while to learn how to spell that too. So what is a fulgurite? It is basically a snapshot of a lightning bolt, if you can imagine. So it is pretty cool, just in that sense. So when lightning hits the ground, whatever's in the way, any kind of silicon material, glass, even organic material, it just gets flash fried. Most of the time you'll see tubule shapes. And then as it branches out and dissipates, you might get these coral patterns or dendritic type looking patterns. So we were able to find a couple of different variations. Yeah, it was really fun. Easy to dig. Wear some rain boots if you go out there, because the sand will get everywhere. So there are two types of fulgurites, rock and sand fulgurites. So in this case, we were digging out sand fulgurites. Let me show you a couple of what I mean. Okay, so let's check out these fulgurites. Between the four of us, we found a nice variety. So 1-inch pieces like this with some color variations, which is really, really cool. You can see the really thin, tube wall right there, and then there's something like this, which is really thick and looked like a Cheeto. And so we found some 2 to 3-inch pieces, small 1-inch guys, really delicate, beautiful formations, color variations inside. And these are wonderful, wonderful little pieces. They come out so pretty in the light. Beautiful coral looking pattern. And these are fulgurites. Alright, let's get to the sand pit. Hey, check out the mine pit. And this is actually the sand quarry that we'll be going to down there. I'm not sure where. Oh, there's the row of cars. So we'll be hunting for fulgurites today in Haines City. Check it out. It's a pretty huge mine, actually a sand pit. Now check out this big sand dune right here. Still at the top, look, going down that way. Coming for you, fulgurites. Hey everybody, Anthony here. Thanks for watching Crystal Miner Rocks. I'm out in Haines City, Florida today at a sand pit that is, this dig is put on by the Southeastern Geological Society. And as you see around you, there's a lot of sand, sugar sand as they call it. I think that's a dump pile. I'm going to start there. We're looking for fulgurites, which is when lightning strikes the ground and it basically gives this beautiful coral-like, a branch, a tube-like pattern from the glass as it melts it. And I'm going to start here. Not really sure what to look for yet, but I'm going to give it a go, and then I'm going to make my way towards the those bigger piles there, towards the walls. Alright, let's get it started. Well, I'm in this center of this pit. I don't know if this is where we'll be digging, but it's kind of picturesque. It's very nice. See all the different layers and colors. Well, the first couple of piles I went to netted me Zippo, and Found another little, very flat one. You can see the tracks there. But I've already found two. Here's the second one right there. Just sticking out of the ground, the sand. I'm getting a little bit of something here. Hey, I have uncovered my first tube. About 2 inches. Got some gnarly shapes there. Oh, yep, and there's the hollow tube inside there. All right, my first one. Got the right spot. Okay, time to get this guy out, bring him home. Nice 2-inch guy. Pretty. Found a couple of small ones here. They look like veggie straws. Haven't found a big one yet, like the 2-incher, but picking up these little cool guys. Hey, just this long one popped out. He's a darker color than the others. He's got a lot of brown and black in him. But he's a nice size too. Huge one. Looks hollow. Got one sticking out. Like a straw. Can't focus. That's a long one. So I'm not in a very deep dump pile. It's almost like a dump splash. But kind of finding that I'm not finding anything as I'm going deeper. It's just really in this 6-inch layer, 8-inch layer. So I'm just scraping and just going across until I cover this area right here. Not having to go down very deep at all. Let's see. Let's see what the loot is.
I just found this one right now.
Yeah, beautiful. Looks like a French fry.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what you got.
And a small spicy one.
Small one, but good stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Here's my wife with my honey.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, the hollow. I can see.
Check out
Oh, that one's hollow. Yeah, okay. Let me see.
Did you see Alyssa's?
Not yet, not yet.
I got like good stuff.
Cool. Yeah, they're hollow tubes when the lightning goes right through them. Build that.
Look at Alyssa. She got a big one. I know. We're like so tired.
All
We're
right,
just gonna sit here.
sweet. Nice.
I'm not sure.
Great job,
about
homie.
these people climbing that high.
Wow, delicate, aren't they?
Certain areas I'm not that worried.
Haha, got a nice. He's a pretty one. He's got little black speckles on him. Just dropped out of the sand there. Okay, where is that big one? I'm still looking for that big one. Got a lot of these nice tubes right now. So I'm just, just going like this. At least it's not a lot of work, but it is still like looking for a needle in a haystack. Yep, there's got a little one here. Cool. Okay, looks like okay, we got some more good stuff here. Ooh, wow, that is the longest one I've seen. What is like 5 to 6 inches here? Nice.
Yeah.
Intact.
Very nice.
Intact.
All right.
Beautiful.
Good find, Ash.
Good find, Ash.
I've shifted position to a new spot where my girls are digging. They're in this little low dump pile here, and where they've been finding some good stuff. Alyssa found a really big tube, about like almost an inch, the big hole in there. So I'm gonna give it a go on this spot. See what happens. Looks like we're hunkering down on this patch here. Ashley got another little tube. Alyssa's striking out over there, but we're still going in this spot before we move on. To the hills. Can we come closer? All right, that's a nice coral looking one. Good find. That was a surface one too, right? I'm back to my original spot. Pulled one out right there, and I've been cleaning for like 5 minutes and just found 2 little guys here.
Nice.
Oh, maybe they were the same piece. Check it out.
I can feel it like shaking.
Looks like Alyssa is just hitting the pay dirt in this spot. Look at that huge one, about maybe 3 inches and really thick. Nice tube there. Beautiful. She's the lucky one today. She's found like the 2 big ones, I think. I'm struggling to find stuff here. 1 or 2. This one's got some cool patterns on her. Okay, it looks like my dry spell, junk, is ended. A long one just showed up. Check it out. Hey, Alyssa, look at this. I'm competing with her big ones. Yep, it's hollow. Cool. Alrighty, finally got a good one. Got a short, fat one here. Nice hole in the middle. Looks like Ashley's joined us in our spot, and she's already pulled out a nice, huge 3 incher right there. Yeah. Guys, just signing out from the sand pit. Found a lot of cool stuff, small little itty bitty ones to 5 inchers that I think April found. So it was a nice experience. Thank goodness the weather was overcast most of the day. So check out the slideshow at the end. Thanks for watching. Crystal Miner Rocks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you for your support. Please subscribe. Enjoy the slideshow, everybody.